We have come here just for ground inspection in Tarabasa Stadium under Commitee constituency because we, the APHLC Central Committee, we have decided to organize a mega rally on 20th of March 2024 here in Tarabasa Stadium under Commitee constituency. So on behalf of APHLC Central Committee, I urge upon and requested upon all the citizens, especially the Hills Tribe people of Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao and West Karbi Anglong, to attend the mega rally on 20th March 2024 here in Tarabasa. And we also call upon all the tribal people, especially from Dima Hasao and also from Karbi Anglong, just to attend the mega rally. The rally will be welcoming our upcoming 2024 parliamentary election candidate Sarkiri and to show our strength and unity to the people of Assam and India, that we the tribes people, we are not moving backside, but we are moving forward for the struggle of autonomous state, and we will not rest until we achieve our demand, our goal for the creation of autonomous state under Article 244A. We also call upon especially the youths and all the educated, intelligent people of Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao to attend the mega rally, and we have decided that the rally will be a pro-autonomy rally, a democratic rally, a peaceful rally, and we urge upon the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao to attend the mega rally on 20th March 2024 by bringing the APHLC flag in all the vehicles. That's all. Thank you. Aphan si katowe Karbi Anglong at Dima Hasao ra pandani di Rongphar no. Binili to APHLC Central Committee hoy penadak tariging koi mega rally padoi Aphan Kuluni constituency arlo Tarabasa long dak labangso stadium long na so playground no singi tum pati Aphan itum chingwai tang lo la sepini bangge ground inspection mate field inspection mansi bang lo apena tum thaglong inon la black is only Aphan kaduk awian tame ladak check akun katu e lab lo la pen ladak tanggal salam po kasi taring ko yarni bangge ongdung pen Karbi Anglong Dima Hasao lo pen West Karbi Anglong la inglong ara tuman tribal satu mana bangke kebang teji masih cuning rilo tipon ma pulotan te labangsor ni tum sarjai ka tharapan ni tum APHLC Central Committee hoi pen alang ni Aphan MP upcoming parliamentary election 2024 MP candidate alang han hok delo apena baso hok de pen alang ni Aphan kang thum karni ke bengkon non tariging ko ni March 2024 non bedo pon asi rasor ni constituency ko ratrok la pen ke Dima Hasao pen constituency ko raner kep do la kapto ko ara tuman sedang inglong so tuman da ke bang peji phansi lilihin pen nang tum han chuning rilo la pen ke hala sor ni bangke ile tum inglong asor tum tame ini tum unity bang kaching room la bang song thek mai tum paklang thek nai la pen ke ile tum hemprek ke hang lan se asyang tong ile tum dak ala bang so mega rally pen ile tum state long puno central long as tame kapali thek je Aphan ile tum la bang so asyang tong ye media long puno through media hoi pen same tum pali konbek han bola lo asi ong tung pen dak Karbi Anglong arat han ka chuning ri la helo la pen Dima Hasao arat han ka chuning ri la helo la sor ni dak ke bang pen che pha dak bang pen ile tum lan so se ile tum ka che song ang thek ka che paklang hi Aphan la pen ile tum la non ke dobong je la ke de ke che Aphan ani ka pathia party BJP atom Aphan ile tum ka parem thek je Aphan la pen ke la ke de ke che atom Aphan ile tum dim plong tek tek la pen ile tum aja kong orang puno na pen ile tum along le phelang nang ti la dak nang do thip tum Aphan itum ke inglong sa tum ke tum dim plong tek tek bula bangsong thek che paklang Aphan apan hemprek hang lan so sele tum inglong so tum che paklang thek Aphan la non taring ko yar ni tum na chetong lo nang lasi Karbi Anglong la pen Dima Hasao arat tum atau kan no hoks dame thoing long le to stame rong surong bodo do an rong supi do tuman sane la taring ko ni bangge Tarabasa stadium long kebang peji Aphan si nali tum Aphan pini nilihin pen chuning rilo